Hey guys! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, we will be giving you an update on what has been happening here sa aming Bahay Kubo project. But before that,
please don't forget to like our Facebook page, also follow us on our Instagram account, and also if you love this video, please do like and share, and also please subscribe to our YouTube channel.
there. Alright, so like what I said guys, so I'll give you an update kung ano nangyayari dito sa aming Bahay Kubo project. So today is day 7. So actually, hindi tuloy-tuloy ang paggawa ng aming karpentero because nga merong ITCZ, Intertropical Convergence Zone, so always umuulan dito sa Bacolod. So every time na umuulan, lalong-lalo na noong wala pang roof itong Bahay Kubo, they had to stop working. So there, so let's go ahead and show you kung ano nang nangyayari dito. Alright, so guys, let's start with the roofing. So as you can see, it's fully done na yung atip, yung roof nung roof ng aming Bahay Kubo. So as you can see, we use nipa. Actually, yung karpentero, they asked us if they gave us option whether we want to use yung GI sheet or nipa. So we wanted to use nipa because we want yung vibe is parang Bahay Kubo talaga. So pulido ang kanilang paggawa guys. So as you can see, tinahi talaga nila ito, oh. Ayan. And they're using this. I don't know what they call this. Parang gulong siya na ginawang sinulid. They call it I don't know, I forgot the name. Anyway, so there. So that's the atip. So that's the roof.
Bubong.
Or bubong. Okay. So as you can see, including dito sa center guys, so gumamit kami ng GI sheet dito sa center lang. Ayan. At kahapon lang ito natapos. There. So meron kaming sobrang nipa. So we use a total of 250 pieces ng nipa. Initially wala to, pero ang sabi ko, lagyan din ng nipa on this side para kahit malakas yung ulan hindi pumasok yung tubig dito. Alright, so that's for the roofing part. Now, dito naman sa baba, as you can see, malapit na ring matapos ang floor. On this side na lang. Ito. Ditong side. So I guess isang kawayan na lang kailangan dito. And this should be done. So, sinabihan ko talaga yung karpentero na dapat kiskisin yung balat ng kawayan because we want it to be smooth like this. Ayan. There. And don't worry because ito ipapakat ko pa to kasi hindi siya pantay. So gusto ko pantay lahat to. And then on this side, ito patatanggal ko pala to guys. Oh. So we will have this removed because I want this to be a open window. So magkakaroon lang ng parang veranda type na hanggang dito lang. Ayan. And then meron siyang design dito sa baba. It's either parang terrace or parang XX. I'll show you lang yung sample sa screen. Yun. And then I want sana na dito yung parang veranda type is gonna be a flat na wood para for those who loves to drink coffee, pwede nilang ilagay yung coffee sa parang veranda type while looking at the view and everything. Now guys, for the electrical part, so of course, kailangan ng electricity dito because for sure magiging madilim to paggabi. So, I will run a wire from the house, and so the wire will run from the house going here underground, and I guess lalabas siya dito. And then we will put some an outlet here, an outlet because you know naman kapag umiinom dapat may music, so importante na may outlet, 'di ba? Para meron kang saksakan ng inyo sa mga gusto mag-charge ng
Gadgets.
phone, ng gadgets, or kung gusto mo magtrabaho dito, yung laptop, i-charge. So yan, importante na meron siyang outlet. And also, we will have some lightings here on top. So I'll do all the electrical stuff because I'm a frustrated electrician. So we will put either 2 or 3 hanging lights here. So bibili pa kami sa Central Market ng parang anong tawag,
Native.
organic or native
Basta.
na products.
Yes,
Oo.
correct.
And then
Lalagyan
we
ng
will just
bombilya,
put ng bulbs. So it will hang here either 2 or 3. Ako nang bahala dyan once tapos na to. So there guys, so that's for the electrical part. For the chairs, so we will put this side and also on that side.
Balcony.
Parang balcony or anything na mauupuan. So parang ganito lang siya. Diba? Ayan. So both sides, so I guess it can accommodate mga 10 to 12 persons pag natapos. So yun muna, and here guys sa center, we're planning actually to put like a removable table lang because we don't know, diba, in the future pwede namin siyang magamit na as tulugan or yoga or anything like that. So pwede lang namin alisin yung table, lagay sa labas, and then do whatever we can do here. So there. Tapos naman kung mayroong session, so we can put the table back.
Okay, so Arnel mentioned na he is in charge of the electricity and as well as the structure itself, kung ano yung gagamitin or yung hindi. So ako naman yung in charge sa parang interior ng loob ng ng loob ng bahay kubo namin. So since he already mentioned that this part will be just bare lang siya, na para siyang meron lang dito na pwede lagyan ng mga coffee or anything. So we decided that we will also put plants here. So naglagay kami both sides ng plant dito. So both sides yan. And then we will also put yung curtain na see-through na white para kahit paano mag-grass talaga namin yung bali talaga siya. And also basically that's it lang naman. And by the way, so sa baba nito pataas siya guys. I think it's more than 8 feet or 7 feet. Sa video ata hindi siya obvious. I think it's 7 feet down below. So we will also plant tanglad or lemongrass para sa lamok naman siya. So sa palibot nito we will plant tanglad or lemongrass para din ma-minimize yung mosquito. Though hindi naman maraming mosquito dito, pero again, prevention is better than cure, so we better prepare. So, and then dyan before ka pumasok, yung mga plants na packet tatandaan yan namin ng bago. So we will also include plants dito, so that very nature talaga yung vibe, kasi we're really planning to try yung yoga. So yun, so one with nature in short. So that's it lang naman. So guys, our next video will be our haul. Please watch out sa lahat ng mabibili namin dito for this Bahay Kubo. Hopefully next week, sana matapos na to, kasi kahit kami nagmamadali na din na matapos to kasi we are so excited. Also our visitors,
we're planning to bring some friends and visitors here para we can start partying.
yes, and that's it. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. and please give us a thumbs up.
Thank you guys. Bye.